Redstone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Oh shit. What's up everyone? This is Eugene. He's visiting me from Houston. He came up for spring break to help me out on the car. We've known each other a long time. He's helped me with all my cars all through high school. We even like played video games and stuff in elementary and middle school. You know, so he's an old friend.
It's real.
Yeah. He came up just to help me out. So everybody welcome Eugene.
Hi.
Probably going to be a temporary member of Euro Garage.
Temporary?
And then eventually he'll probably come back and appear again.
I'm sure I will. Well, you told me not to bring a goddamn tripod, so it's not my fucking fault.
I have another one, but it's not for cameras.
I still have my tripod mount, so you can just go buy a cheap one from Best Buy.
Right. So essentially we got to take off the front bumper and the head and then start going to work on this motor. We got to do ARP head studs, new head gasket, timing tensioner, some seals. We got a whole bunch of shit to do and not a lot of time to do it. So we're just going to get started tearing it down. Eugene's going to be working on the bumper, probably pulling off this fan because I have a new slim fan coming in. I'm going to be pulling off the manifold, all the bits and pieces for that. So stay tuned. Busy day. This is a 2.5 inch that I have over my 2.75 inch auto line. It works good, dude. It's gonna hold a lot of boosts.
Yeah, you won't have any leaks.
Are you using my 3/8 drive?
Yeah.
Okay, I have another one. Jesus, man, I can't believe you didn't bring your impact.
Oh yeah, no, I have no fucking idea where it is. That's a $600 tool. Fuck all, no.
$100?
Not like 5 something, but still.
Are you serious,
Maybe
bro? I thought they were
700 fucking foot-pounds in reverse.
I thought they were like 80.
And like a quality impact drivers? Fuck no.
Jesus.
It's like hung up on the bumper, just barely.
Gently pulling on the fender. There you go. Get it out. Up. Lay it down. Why do you need such enormous? Look at these bolts, dude. These are for the cap.
Relax.
Remember the E36? Do you think Green Day thought they were going to be the next Nirvana?
I think Green Day's been around as long as Nirvana. Green Day's not a new band. In fact, I think they might have been around longer than Nirvana.
That's impossible.
Nirvana was only around for like 4 years or something, wasn't it?
Well, around for longer, but...
No, like they were only active for like 4 years. Green Day's been active since like the 80s.
Yeah, but... Yeah. I guess so. Don't wanna be an American idiot.
You didn't get your video flagged with your
No, it's
beautiful singing.
It's less than 30 seconds. Fair use. Plus, they need all the publicity they can get. Let's be real. Dude, you should have brought your Impact. I could have used it right now.
I don't think it would fit.
I know.
I still don't know where it is. I really fucking hope I haven't lost it. I don't know how I lose a goddamn Impact. I might need a new one. Made in West Germany.
West Germany. The best Germany.
Well, it's not like anything but a Trabant came out of the other one. Actually, there was another car company. Oh.
Why would you sit on that, you madman?
Let's see this.
Oh, I see.
Brand
So
new.
there's these little clips that come off and then it slides right out.
Alright. What you want?
What you want? Baby,
I think I need new gloves.
I need new gloves at all.
It keeps my pretty hands from getting dirty.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking. You need to get under there and hold it still.
Fucking under. You fucking got coolant everywhere.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, that's...
Alright. Where would you like things?
Feels like compression's decent.
It's like a graduated cylinder. You gotta look through here. Like, at it.
Oh, that's pretty damn fucking close.
I was pretty fucking close too.
Take it back a little bit. I'm just gonna start pulling this timing belt on.
We're trying to get that belt out first.
So with my new, I'm just showing them. So with my new timing tensioner, the pin goes like this, spring goes on it like that, my new spring, and then I can put it in and adjust it with tension. But we're not gonna do that quite yet because the head has to come off so we can do the head gasket. So, okay. So now I'm just gonna take off the old water pump, 3 13mm bolts. 1,
Eins.
2,
That's French, I know.
3,
Yeah, that's definitely French.
5. Saying too many.
Come on, it's a German car. You can learn German. 2. 3. Yay! You just dripped coolant all over your pants.
Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Okay, so just take off any old gasket that would keep you from having a good seal. That's it. Well, you could get a Euro car and then be part of the Euro Garage. That's how
I get Volkswagen Golf.
I can't do anything with that, bro.
It's a Volkswagen. Of course you can do stuff to a Volkswagen.
I don't want. Okay, so now it's simply a matter of putting the new gasket on the
Nice and
water pump, lining it up with the holes.
No, you didn't take the one out of my hand.
Just hand threading them in. Sorry, I didn't know you had one in your hand.
Gasket moved a little.
I really like this motor, dude.
I never thought I'd hear you ever say that about a single overhead cam engine.
Well, when you work on it, it's really nice.
We finished and it's been 5 hours.
Well, to be fair, we've taken pretty much everything off. No! Damn. Luckily it's like water resistant. Okay. It's always a good idea to tape over any bullshit. Hoop-de-da-li-la.
There's scientific word.
Cover up your goddamn holes. So you don't get shit in them. That fell off, whatever. Okay. I'm happy with that. So, it's all how it works out.
Where'd that extension go, the short one?
In the, I just removed the 8 nuts that hold the valve cover on, and now I have access to my studs that run into the block and hold the head to the block. And I'm just going to, with my torque sequence, I'm going to untorque them in reverse order. Good call, bro. Good call. Thank Eugene. Eugene was here. Oh my god. Dude, I'm so scared about this. I hate that noise.
I figured it'd be a pain in the ass to get this apart from the headers. One, you can make something out of them. You don't make anything out of your head bolts.
Sell them. I don't think they're reusable.
No.
The ARPs are.
They stretch too.
No, they are. They're reusable. Because you only go to like 70. If you went to like 90 plus a quarter turn or something, I'd say do not reuse that. But
I wouldn't reuse anything.
I've been told that people reuse them like 6 times in this other shit.
Maybe on the same motor. I wouldn't.
I don't know if No, dude, I don't think it'd be a problem, dude. Those things are insanely strong.
Yeah, they're all good. I already digested that.
Okay. So.
You shouldn't need to keep them in any specific order. Just check them.
I think I need the washer still.
You know I feel.
Viewers are gonna think this is hilarious.
Blow, Max, blow. I think it's pretty funny. Not me good now.
I know what the fuck I'm doing. Oh! Heyo! Ta-da!
There's your fuel rail.
No, this is my
Well, the fuel controller thing.
this is my injector rail. Oh, ta-da! One more side. Ah! Fuel! Ah! Look at that! Bruh.
Is it in frame and in focus? Who knows?